Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker Denon Envaya with your MacBook. You have to start by click at the Bluetooth icon at the top, or if you haven't it, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Now go to the settings, and after that we should turn on the speaker, so press and hold on this power button. Here we go, and after that press and hold at the Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. Here we go, now we should see it at the device list. Here we go, now click connect near to your speaker here. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!